Hey designers, in this video, we're going to create a crumpled paper effect in After Effects from scratch. Let's dive right in. First, grab the gradient tool. You'll see various gradient options, but we're going with the diamond gradient. Now, change the blend mode from normal to difference. Start applying gradients randomly. Feel free to go wild with it, it's all about creating the look you like. Add as many gradients as you want, until you're satisfied. Once you've done that, head over to Filter, then go to Stylize and select Emboss. Set the amount to 200 or higher to intensify the look. Adjust the height slightly, around 10 to 15, to achieve a subtle crumple effect. And press OK when you're happy with it. If you want even more crumples in the paper, duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Then press Ctrl+T to bring up the transform controls. Right-click and select Flip Vertical. Now, notice how the bottom left area might have fewer crumples. To balance it out, lower the opacity of the duplicated layer. Grab the eraser tool, and make sure its opacity is set low. Gently erase the top area of this layer, where you already have enough crumples. And there you have it, a cool crumpled paper effect. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs.